Hi, my name is Tiago Duarte and welcome to another video tutorial here at Daily Beats. In today's video, I want to share a little bit of my concern about the coronavirus, and I just want you to be aware of it and follow the precautions, the measures, and they are implemented for a reason. If you don't know, try to find out why and try to follow them as strictly as possible because the health of everyone depends on it. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and start the tutorial. Today I'm going to continue the techno track that I did last week, and it's called Strange Vibes. And I was just listening to it, so let's see how it goes, or how it is. I quite like the track. So now there are a couple of things that I want to do. The first thing is to separate everything and start creating a composition. Probably I will have to add a couple more sounds. I don't know, not sure yet, but I like the way the track is built. So it has a solid foundation, and that it's enough to start creating the composition. So that's what I'm going to focus today. And let's go here on pattern mode. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so this is probably the kick. Yeah, let's start naming everything. Bass. All right, so now let's start creating something out of this. So let's do Control B several times and create a big loop. And as you can see, 9 minutes, probably it's too much. We don't need 9 minutes. Let's see how it goes. 7, might be enough. Let's see. Okay, let me maybe add this shot here. Nice. So, but I already lost like the position of everything. So let's see how it goes. And we can even add let this one here. Okay, let's take the hi-hat, the open hi-hats, and let's maybe remove here the hi-hat here and introduce the synth melody. And then we can have just the open hi-hats with everything, just to give a differentiation. Okay, maybe. Okay, maybe we can add something here different, maybe a pad or something like that. And we can actually keep it for like this amount of time. Okay, so 4 minutes, and then we have everything coming coming all again. And we can even try to find something else here. Maybe just the same melody actually, but in a ARP type of mode. Let's see if this sounds nice. Let's see if I can use the same notes. Okay, let's make them short. Okay, let's try everything on octave higher. Okay, we can even try to make the sound more plucky. So let's go to the edit page and let's see what we have here. We have the envelopes here. We can mess around with them. Okay, we have something like that. Okay, I like that. And we can automate this to make it open over time. And we can also add some kind of distortion to it. Let's see if we have here some wave, threshold. Let's see what we have here. I was thinking some kind of distortion, or even, let's see this one. Okay, I think this will be enough. Let's move this attack here. So let's go now, browse parameters, envelope, hold. Okay, let's create an automation clip for that. And we can also probably do some automation here for the decay. Okay, create automation clip. Now we have 3 different automations. And for this one here, I will probably do something like that. And here I will probably do a middle one and go back to the top, or maybe not the top all the way, something like that. And here I can go something like this, maybe here, increasing the hold every time, and maybe less here. And all the way up like that. And for the decay, I will copy this value and I will probably just do a decay on these ones. Let me create here, P to paste, like that. Maybe we can do a sharper curve here, the same thing here, P to paste, and here, P to paste, and here we can go all the way up. Something like that. Let's see how this sounds. Kind of like it. It fades out. It's not bad. Okay, and now we just have a end of the track. So let's take this out, and of course this can go now, and now it's just a matter of removing things. I was thinking maybe taking out the hi-hats there, the open hi-hats, and let's take the hi-hats here. This is more like a DJ version, extended version, and we can have it end it like that. Let's see if this sounds nice. And for this one, I can actually make it start right when it ends. I think I will add a high pass here. This is the power of mixing. And again, as long as you have the idea, you can always tweak the sounds to make them sound the way you want. So that's the nice part about mixing. And it can take a while for you to master. Or at least become good at it. Maybe not master it, but become good at it. But you will eventually reach that. Okay, so let's see how this sounds here. Okay, so now we have much more space for synths and for stuff. So let's go and add some stuff or some layers to this synth. I'm thinking about a more plucky sound. Okay, so let's go with hybrid. Let's see what we have here from bells. Let's reduce the envelope here. Let's actually keep it like that. Okay, and let's make it go through the bump. Okay, like that. We can even add some reverb to make them go away. Like that. Okay. And now we have something different here. Not sure if this will work on the full track, but again, it's just a matter of experimentation, I think, or I feel. And that's my idea. Music is just experimenting and trying different things, trying to find your sound. And we still have this very big gap here that I will try to make a breakdown or something like that. But we have this part here which is more soft, and then we go to something like this. And we still have a lot of mixing ahead of us. And this actually might be too loud. Let's see how this sounds here. Okay, we can even do then some kind of impact or something like that. And then we end the track like that. Okay, if you are new here to this channel, subscribe and activate notifications so that you know when I upload new videos. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Consider supporting my channel by buying one of my products at dailybeats.pt or become a premium or exclusive member, and you will be able to see the full videos of the full tutorials basically, and I will show you how everything pretty much with no cuts. If you want to send me your project file for me to try to fix it, I will have a link in the description. So yeah, my name is Tiago Duarte, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.